Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the hairpin leg coffee table that I made for my loft, and I will show you all the supplies that I used to make it and how much I spent in total. Okay, so the first thing I ordered was the hairpin legs. I got these off of Amazon and it was about $25 for the set of 4, and these are the 16-inch, which are good for coffee tables, so it's 16-inch from the bottom to the top there. And I will put a link in the description box to the actual ones that I bought in case you are looking to get some yourself. So let me just show you the wood that I got at Home Depot. So the first piece I got was this big panel here, and it's just a laminated pine, and there's tons of different wood selections you can get, and it was only $18 for this particular panel. And this is the size on it, so it's about 23¼ by 48 inches, so 4 feet. These were $5 a piece, and I just had them cut because they will cut wood for you for free. So these are the sizes on these. So 2½ inches by 6 feet long. So what I did is had them cut the 2 boards the length of the table. And then I had them cut the inside pieces to fit the dimension from here to here. So it goes like that. And then I did have a little bit extra, and I just kept that to use for something else. So that's basically it. So it was $5 and some change for each of the long boards, and then $18 for the big panel, and then $25 for the actual legs. Okay, so I've got all of my boards put together and I screwed on my hairpin legs, and so far it's looking awesome. So here you can kind of see what it looks like next to my existing coffee table. So I'll probably have to use a little bit of wood filler right in here and then just sand it up a little bit and stain it, and I think that will be good. So this is what the underside looks like. I just wanted to show you so I can quickly explain what I did as far as building it. I nailed the 2½ inch boards across all the way down, and I just used some like 1½ inch nails and just nailed that in, and then I put the other boards to meet it, and I just got them right to the edge there. And then once I was done nailing all 4 of the boards around the edge, because you want to kind of build this area up because the plywood board here isn't thick enough for the screws to go in, because the screws were probably about that long. So you need to kind of build this area up. That's why I have those extra trim pieces. And then I just took my hairpin leg and I came out about maybe 1/4 inch off of the edge. And then I just took a screwdriver and screwed these in. There's 5 screws on each one. And then after I constructed the table, I took some wood filler and just kind of ran some in the edge here, because there's like a little bit of a seam there and you can kind of still see it, but it looks a lot better than it did. So I just kind of filled in around all of the edges, and then I sanded really well. And then the last step was to stain it. So the stain I used was the Rust-Oleum stain and polyurethane combination. And I got this at Walmart, and it was about $7.50, something like that. And it was the smallest can they had. And I got the color called American Walnut. And that's pretty much it, guys. It was probably one of the easiest DIYs I've ever done. So this is how the table looks in my loft. And I really like the stain. It really warms up the room. And I styled it with the thrifted tray that I got at Goodwill. It's just got like a basket texture and some metal. And I got that for like $2.69. These are some coasters that I got at Marshall's. They're like a marble material, and it was $7.99 for a set of 4. And then I just have some simple white candles on either side of the basket, and I picked these up at Dollar Tree, and they are the Rose Collection, White Jasmine and Mint. So I thought they would look good on either side of the table and add a little contrast. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for many more videos in the future.